Let me dish up a little bit of dirt on the ladies for a second, because we have this secret thing. It's a need and these thoughts and wants that we all want you guys to give us, but we feel this tremendous guilt to even ask for them. We feel that if we ask you for what we really want, you may tell us that we are being too needy, that we are asking for too much. And sometimes we do expect you guys to read our minds, but that's because we have made it very, very obvious what we actually want. So to give you a little bit of a secret into the mind of a girl, we will actually treat you how we want you to treat us. And then if you haven't taken note of that, we will pull away completely. And that's when you may notice that your lady is acting cold or very distant. So let me make it nice and easy for you and tell you the things that girls really want but won't ask for. My name is Anna, and stick around for the video. Your clothing, more specifically your hoodie. It's just something that happens to the female brain. We enter a relationship and the first thing we think of is, I need to find a hoodie and keep it for the whole entirety of the relationship. Now this is a bold move for me to say, but if your girlfriend hasn't stolen one of your hoodies, does she even love you? Tell me your thoughts down in the comments below. We really want the extreme form of comforting. When you see a lady crying, a guy naturally shuts down completely. He has no idea what to do. He's like, whoa, what's going on? He doesn't really know what to say, and so for the majority of the time, he will do nothing or continue to do the things that he was doing prior to seeing her cry. But in these moments, we really, really, really want you guys to comfort us. We want you to put your arms around us, kisses on the head, wipe away our tears. Is that too much to ask? Acting like a gentleman. Women hate misogynism because we believe we are just as valuable as guys. However, we really do like it when guys act like gentlemen. We do appreciate it when you open the door for us, you pull out a chair, you hold our coat up whilst we put our arms into the coat holes. And the most important thing that we really want is for you guys to act like gentlemen in public, for other people to see how amazing you are, and for them to swoon over how romantic the overall relationship is. A lady wants you to emotionally open up to her. Emotions, not a natural thing for a guy. It's just not how his brain has been programmed. And when he does let out some emotion, it confuses his brain, then he shuts down and has to recover in his man cave for a couple of hours or maybe days. But once in a while, a woman really appreciates being able to let down her hair, let go of some steam, and talk about her emotions to her partner, and for him to share his so that they can both connect on a deeper emotional level. We really, really want flowers. Guys think that they have to spend lots of money on gifts, and the more the gifts, the better. And actually, it's quite wrong in the female world, because a woman will appreciate the gift which she knows you have put a lot of thought and effort and emotional value towards. We really don't care if you buy us a £5 bouquet from the gas station. It still counts as flowers, and we really, really want you to get us some. And that means without us hinting as well. And let me give you the secret. If you send a bouquet of flowers to her workplace for all of her friends to see, she will love you 10 times harder. We want more compliments. Never, ever, ever stop with the compliments. Now, there are two different types of compliments. The very generic, hey, you're beautiful compliment, which we don't care for. And then there's the compliments which show us that you put lots of effort in, where you tell us that you appreciate our X, Y, Z, intellect, personality, etc. In a long-term relationship, a girl wants to hear both of these. So that means you still have to regularly tell us how beautiful we are, despite how many months or years we have been dating in total. We really want more of those long, extra tight, squeezy hugs. Girls absolutely love receiving hugs, and the more hugs you give her, the better. But preferably the hugs where you are standing behind us and you kind of hug us from the front, from the back, if that makes sense. The type of hugs that last for a good couple of minutes are the best type of hugs. We want some little surprises. Nothing crazy. Turn up to her house and give her her favorite chocolate or candy bar, and she will love you for a long time. And of course, you can go out of your way and do something extravagant, like, hey, I've just booked a weekend away in Venice for the both of us. But really, you don't have to do a great deal of planning. Just buying a bath bomb and then running a bath for her is pretty romantic in her eyes. We really want you to take pictures with us. We feel admired and beautiful if you just got out your phone and took a snapshot of you and her together. Or if she gets out her phone, please don't make a fuss of it. Just smile and accept that a photograph is going to happen. Cute texts. The morning text, the evening text, or if you really want to impress us, you can do both. We love cute text because it makes us feel wanted and appreciated and lets us know that we are a little bit cute and that we still have a nice, fresh relationship. We really want you to say cute things. Girls want you to say, I love you, just randomly and quite a lot. Makes us feel appreciated. A lot of ladies complain that it's always them saying those sincere things first, and then the guy replies with, yep, love you too, babe. Ask us more questions. A woman loves to feel heard and respected, and when she has your full, undivided attention, we feel very, very happy. See, we want you to ask more follow-up questions about our day. If we look upset or angry or we act very quiet, we want you to say something along the lines of, you look upset, what happened? Share it with me. Now, you know when girls stay silent and say, nothing's up, I'm fine. It's actually because you didn't listen to them or really acknowledge her feelings that she was like, you know what, I'm done. I'm going to close down because I'm not getting anywhere with you. Now, you can't always give us advice. We sometimes just want you to know that we are sad and that we feel a little bit better to share our emotions, and that is good enough. But this also includes you putting down your phone, putting down your controller, a pizza slice, whatever it is. When you talk to a lady, we want to feel that you actually are interested in everything we have to say. So yes, follow-up questions are a must. Regular eye contact, and obviously putting down your mobile phone and stop swiping through Reddit. Now, here is another trick. Even if you don't have time to listen to your girlfriend, you can just say, babe, look, I really am busy right now killing this boss on this level, whatever it may be. Can you give me about 20 minutes and then I will listen to you for 10 minutes and then you can tell me about your day and how Sandra has annoyed you again at work. I will be all yours. Now, the fact that you have appreciated that she still has emotions, you've even said to her, look, I can't deal with it right now, but I will later on. And we feel cared for when you actually want to listen to the things that we have to say. Picnics and long walks. There is just something so lovely about someone asking us if we want to go on a nature walk with them and also planning for a picnic. It's a very intimate way of spending time with someone. And if you can turn around and just give her what she's really wanting, she will most definitely love you forever. And also bonus points if you bring over some nice girly alcohol like rosé or prosecco. Thank you for getting to the end of the video. That really means a lot. And something that you can do to really make my day is to subscribe to the membership on our channel. The link in the description bar below will tell you more about what that entails. But specifically, you get your name up on our super fan board right here. These are some amazing people that support the channel every single month. If you appreciate the amount of content that we are pumping out on a weekly basis, then this is a great way to say thank you. I really hope you have an amazing day. See you in the next video.